If you're a video editor or designer, you need a machine that keeps up. Today, I'm showing you 5 essential tricks to speed up your computer and maximize your performance. Let's dive in. Number 1. Every time you edit a photo or render a video, Windows piles up temporary files that slow you down. We're going to wipe that slate clean. Right-click on the Windows icon and choose Run. Type %temp% and click OK. Once the folder opens, select everything and delete it. If some files won't delete, don't worry, just click Skip. Now close the folder and go back to the Run box. This time, type Temp and click OK. Again, select all the files in the folder, right-click and delete. Number 2. Cleaning your Prefetch data. This hidden folder stores launch data that can get cluttered over time. Let's wipe it. Right-click the Windows icon and choose Run. Type Prefetch and click OK. If a dialog box appears, just click Continue. Select everything in the folder and delete it. Again, if any files are in use, just skip them. Keep in mind, right after you delete these, the next time you open an app like Premiere or Chrome, it might take a few extra seconds to start. That's normal. Windows is just rebuilding a brand new optimized speed file for that app. Number 3. We're optimizing the Windows interface itself. By adjusting our visual effects for best performance, we stop the system from wasting resources on window shadows and animations, making every click feel instant. Right-click the Windows icon and choose Run. Type sysdm.cpl and click OK. In the window that pops up, go to the Advanced tab and click the Settings button under Performance. Select Adjust for Best Performance. Now, make sure you recheck Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. If you leave this off, your text will look pixelated, a nightmare for any designer. Then, click Apply and OK. Number 4. Disabling startup apps. Ever feel like your PC is already tired the moment you turn it on? That's because dozens of apps are fighting for your RAM in the background. Let's head into Settings and shut down those resource thieves. Right-click the Windows icon and choose Settings. Search for Startup Apps. In this list, disable unwanted apps. Be selective. Keep your antivirus on, but things like Spotify, Steam, or update checkers, disable them. You can always open them manually when you actually need them. Finally, one of the best ways to speed up a designer's PC is a service cleanout. Most software runs hidden services 24/7. We're going to filter those out to give your PC a massive boost in responsiveness. Right-click the Windows icon and choose Run. Type msconfig and click OK. Go to the Services tab. To keep our system safe, you must check Hide All Microsoft Services first. This is your safety net. It hides the core Windows engine, so we only focus on the third-party apps slowing down your workflow. Now, disable the unwanted services you don't need and click Apply. And that's it. 5 simple tricks to get your speed back and keep your renders fast.
And after everything, just give a restart.
Try these out and let me know in the comments how much faster your PC feels. Don't forget to subscribe to Sanjithadesigns for more design-focused tutorials. Thanks for watching and keep creating.